We have with us Mr. Amitabh Kant, CEO Niti Aayog, speaking to ET now. Sir, my first question to you is that the measures that have been taken by the government to really give a boost as far as cashless ecosystem is concerned, in your assessment, how much will this actually give a boost to the overall cashless ecosystem?
The government has taken a series of measures to give digital payment economy a big boost. In addition to that, it is doing a lot of work in field. It is mobilizing the district collectors, it is mobilizing the education department, it is mobilizing the food department, it is mobilizing the rural development department. We are trying to convert this into a very big
Movement.
Very big mass movement, a national movement, where people move from cash to digital and find it easy and simple to do that transaction, which should be extremely reliable, and therefore there's a mental barrier, because all our life we've been dealing with cash but
economy.
we are trying to break that barrier,
Right.
and I'm quite sure that we'll succeed, because the poor people have got used to computers, they've
Right.
got used to debit credit cards, they've
Right.
got used to ATMs, and I'm sure they'll get used to, they're very used to mobile phones.
Fair enough, sir. But the mobile payment gateway system in India is very much at its nascent stage right now. In your assessment, what could be the top 2 or 3 things the government must do to really give a push to the payment gateways?
How do you say it is at a nascent stage? Have you tried the Aadhaar-enabled payment system? It's one of the easiest systems anywhere in the world. You just need your Aadhaar number, which I think everyone does. 99.1% of the people in India, adult population, have an Aadhaar account, and therefore you just remember your Aadhaar number. You use your thumb. You just put your bank. You don't need to remember your account number. Just
Right.
say your bank, State Bank. It takes you straight into your account.
Right.
Once you're in your account, you just do debit credit.
Right.
It's the easiest. Bang of a second, you are doing a debit or credit. So it's the easiest.
It's easiest, but in terms of numbers.
No. So it'll grow,
Yeah.
expand, and India is very fortunate. It has a billion Aadhaar, it has a billion phones, and therefore it will technologically leapfrog in the coming days.
Okay.
India will be a very big disruptionist in this.
Right.
Actually, what Aadhaar system will do and what
Right.
UPI system will do
Right.
will be to ensure that India bypasses many steps in this technological innovation.
Right.
It will bypass debit card, it will bypass credit card, it will bypass ATM, and enable you to do open interoperable systems straight away.
Fair enough. My final question, your back of the envelope calculations as to in the next 6 months, when this whole thrust is really being given by the government, what could be the kind of numbers in terms of growth that you will see for transactions, and maybe also any calculations on the value of these transactions?
No, so I gave you the figures. Our UPIs, our wallets, our USSD have all grown by leaps and bounds since 8th November. We expect a quantum jump. We expect a huge fillip to digital payment. We expect that people will adopt this. People will give it a big thrust.
Any numbers that you can share with us by April 2017 when the scheme ends? What could be the kind of numbers that we talk about?
No, it'll be premature for me to talk about numbers, but we expect a very major quantum jump.
Okay, thank you so much.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow, and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/ETNow.